So this workflow can grab a feedback, then AI agent do research, and then it can merge it and with simple switch rule. If it's complement, then add in Airtable and share in Slack to our team, and this will complement. This will also same as share in Airtable and also Gmail, and this is for future request and also send to our Slack team. So let's build. So when this workflow start, it will start with when a feedback, when a form is submitted. So let's type of form, simply form, and simply search it. We also for demo purpose I use n8n form. Simply I click on that, and this will be name will be feedback. Submit or request. Simply type in your way. Click on add form element, and this will be name, and everything is fine. Click on required field, click on add form element, and this will be email, and this will be also email. Now click on required field, and this will be feedback. Feed back, and click on required field and click on execute step. For here you can see it can made it. So let's fill the form. Name will be Alex, email will be like sambu@gmail.com, and feedback will be need a future that allow user to drag and drop. Click on submit. Now it can successfully send the request data. Let's cross this and save it. Now move to the next part. So next part will be our AI agent. So let's add an AI agent. Click on AI agent. Simply click on this, and we need to write a prompt. Click on define below. Simply you can use this prompt also. This can help you a lot. I simply copy this, go to my dashboard, simply paste it, and we simply need to drag information here. I think it is not draggable. Go to JSON, copy it, oh sorry, I only need a feedback also, not this name and email. So go to schema version. So let's add a feedback here, and this will look like this. Feedback is future. Your role is determined if a customer feedback is a future request or complement or complement. Here is the customer feedback, and this is a simple prompt that I use. So let's add a model. You use ChatGPT for this. You use any model. So let's use this one and simply click on let's add a calculator tool. I add it. Simply don't do anything, simply run it and see what type of output I get. Now time to merge it. Now is merge function to merge this data also and also this one, and this number of input will be 2. Sorry, and simply cancel it, and let's connect to this one and click here to load correctly. Now click on execute step. I think agent what thing I return, I don't know. Click on AI agent. Let's try again. If this is not working, we use another. So let's delete this. And again click on execute step. The feedback need of feature that allow user to drag and drop. Simply enter. Output only be in let's click on execute step and see what type of output I get. Here you can see it can only output as feature request. Now move to the next part. Let's again run it. Execute step. Here you can see feature request. We successfully merged it. Now time to add this on Airtable. Here you can see. Now we add a switch module for this. Let's add a switch module. Let's search it. Click on this, and this will be rule. So our rule is simple. If this contains this, then it will only move. So let's little bit guide you. Click on switch. Here you can see the rule is simple. So let's go back. Click on output from here in merge function. And this will output as feature request. Simply copy this. Let's duplicate this. I think. So rename output will be feature request. Click on add rating field, then again add this, and again click on this. Click on now list add a complement or complement. Copy this, click on switch, let's paste it here, and copy it from here to here and paste it here, and let's click on execute step and see the output. Here you can see the output will be feature request. So we name output, simply paste it, and simply paste it. Now time to add Airtable. So go to so let's visit Airtable. Simply visit Airtable and create a sheet. Let's guide you everything about Airtable that is required to build. So let's go and do the part. Now it is opening. So we can add this record in Airtable and also select message. So I don't do any Slack or Gmail, this much only. Now we need to create a workspace. So I simply add a feedback, click on enter and create a workspace. Now start from scratch and simply rename it feedback. Simply click on enter. Table name will be customer feedback, anything. customer and feedback. Now time to add a feedback here. So let's go here and see for complement and feature request. So copy this, I think I need to copy from it here. Oh, go to complement option So we need to create a separate workflow for this one. So let's click on switch module. I think it is not opening. Okay, it is open. And Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy and go back to our Airtable. So simply paste it. And this will be our complement. This will be our complement. Click on start from scratch and paste it. So this will be name, and this will be our, click on edit field, and this will be long text, and this will be email, and this will be save. Simply click on this. Feedback and change the option as text search text. So we need to select as long text and simply save it. And cross this and delete this part. Click on delete field. I think okay, my network is not working, guys. I simply need to wait a couple of seconds. When this is work, you can skip this part. I simply try to delete. So I need to wait. Start from scratch. Simply paste it. Ctrl and Ctrl and Ctrl. So let's copy the name. Ctrl C to copy and go back to our workflow. And Ctrl V to paste and just save it. I think I write a name same as it here. Complement, I don't know, I think this will name as complement. Copy it, I think complement. Paste it. Just save it and also click on start from scratch, and this will be our feature request. FEATUES request. Simply save it, and we simply need to rename it. My network is gone for a long time. You simply skip this part. I can't do anything with my recording. We simply need to add this on our Slack. I think So simply search Airtable if this is load. Okay, my network is coming, so I simply refresh this page. So let's see, I need to continue this part. Let's search Airtable. Click on Airtable and click on create a record. Click on create a record and open a docs. Open link in on your tab. So I can guide you how to create a record. Simply open this in on your tab and click here and click on create new credential. Go to this resources, go to Airtable credential, click on this. Go to personal page token and I simply copy this and go to personal page token. You simply need to add this scope on Airtable account to create a record. Simply we need to add these 3 record in our array scope, and we simply need to add this so it can work with our Airtable account. So this is page is now loading, and simply click on create a new token, and this will be our feedback. And simply click on add scope and ctluf and paste it, and here you can see I can find it, successfully find it. Select, and also there will be 3 error, right? And the one will be schema.base.it, and we simply need to add resources, error base. The base will be cost feedback, all current and future. Simply create a token, copy this, go back to our Airtable account, paste it, just save it. No thank. Okay, I need to do something changes. So let's change something. Name will be feedback, and I simply need to delete this part. Delete field, delete, delete field, and go to complement and do same as name. Edit field, this will be email. Just save it, and this will be our feedback. Simply I delete this. And also delete this. And delete also this. I think now add a long text, and this will be our feedback. Simply create a field. Now go to feature request function and do same as here, name, edit field, name, email. Let's change it. Select a long text, type feed back, just save it and delete this all. Click on delete field. Now our Airtable is work is done. Now let's move to the next n8n to add. Click on the feedback and we need to add. This will be feature request and this will be name. We simply need to drag. This will be name, email, and this will be our feedback. Click on execute step. Now it can give us output. We can do same with all of the three. Now again drag all of this for. So let's duplicate all this. We don't have many time. And simply connect all of these three with 3. This will be here and this will be here. Let's drag it here and drag it here and drag it here and just save it, and it can do the work. Here you can see we can successfully build the workflow. If I want to add a select, click on a search and simply select search and simply edit. Click on send a message. So I'm not find here. You can see, click on send a message and authorize it and send to our select. We need to create a new gradient with the SS token. We simply need to connect it. And let's pause this. Let's see if any result is coming on a feature request. I think no. Just refresh it. And again run this workflow. Let's disconnect this. Click on execute workflow. Now you simply need to write a form. And normally it will be I think I write gmail.com and I simply write it, make it simple to use. Simply submit it and see the output. Now it will be run when our form is submitted and it can do the work. Just save it. If you forget, it can't do anything. Why it don't work? I don't know. So I think my PC is lagging something. Create internet stopping. Just refresh it and again run it if this work or not, and see if this work or not. Let's try to do again and run the workflow. Let's click on execute workflow. Now it will, our form will open, and simply type our random information. Simply type make it simple and click on submit or test version of your form. Here you can see agent do the research and it can merge and error switch, and it can create a record. Here you can see it can create a record on a feature request. You can rename it here. Go back and see the feature request option. Let's refresh and see the output. So I think it's our item will be empty field. So let's get output from here. If this is empty, okay, now it is valid. Click on backspace and again backspace. This will be email and this will be our feedback. Just click on execute step. Here you can see it can successfully edit. Now delete all of this. Backspace and duplicate it. Duplicate and simply connect to this one, and I simply guide you. And this will be feature request, this will be complement, I think, and this will be complement. And simply save it and simply click on again, run it. So write any name and again test it. This will be any email. Website is not loading, and simply submit and see what is the output I get. Simply backspace. Here you can see it can get output and agent to the work and simply merge it, and I don't know which one is go. Let's see. No output or complement no output. I don't know. So output will be a complement. Output only be a complement. Oh, so why it is not? Paste it and click on execute step. So output will only complement, so it is not going. Simply paste it. Oh, sorry, I also rename it here. Again click on execute step. Now output successfully go to complement, and just save it, and let's go and see the output. Here you can see it will name email, make it simple, complement. We simply need to refresh it to get our data. Thank you for the video. Okay, bye.